When you browse the internet, it's important to know whether a website is safe before you enter any personal information or download anything. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly check if a website is secure using Brave Browser. First, open Brave Browser and go to the website you want to check. Then look at the left side of the address bar at the top of the screen. You will see a small site controls icon next to the website URL. If you click on it, it will open a menu with important security and site information. Here you can see whether the site connection is secure, along with details about cookies and site data. You can also view and manage site settings, such as permissions for camera, microphone, and location access. If the connection is secure, it will be clearly shown in this menu. If there are any issues or risks, Brave will also display relevant warnings here. This makes it easy to quickly understand how a website is behaving and what data it can access. Brave also includes built-in protections that automatically block many unsafe or suspicious websites in the background. To see additional protection details, click the Brave Shields icon on the right side of the address bar. Here you can see how many ads and trackers were blocked on that site and whether shields are currently active. Brave Shields help improve your privacy by blocking tracking scripts, ads, and other unwanted content. If shields are turned off, you can enable them again directly from this menu to stay better protected while browsing. As a general rule, only enter personal information on websites that show a secure connection and do not raise any warning signs in these menus. And that's it. With just a quick look at the site controls icon and Brave Shields, you can easily check if a website is safe to use. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more browser safety tutorials.